genuine Sigourney Weaver fan.
I was, yeah. In fact, I used to do a bit of stand-up and had a routine about Sigourney, and it's very odd to be, as much as it is to be saying this to you now. About your film.
She's
awesome. I mean, she's so. It's still an incredible beauty, and Nick Frost and I were just sort of like, when she came on set, it was like the Queen coming on set.
How did you get her?
We just sent her the script, and she liked it, and it was she was our dream casting. Well, why not? Let's just send it to her and see what she says. And we got 2 weeks later, yeah, she's going to do it. So she came on set, and Nick and I were like, hi, how you going? Hi. And she was sat on her own on set in the evening, and Nick and I sort of went over and, do you want to come over and hang out with us? We're sitting over here. And, she was so lovely. And
hadn't you written a poem about her?
I did write a poem about her. In my stand-up, I wrote a poem about her, but...
what words rhyme with Sigourney?
Horny, of course. I know what you make me think of. My penis.
And talking about Paul, we must mention it further because it is now available in Blu-ray, DVD, digital copy.
Yes.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is.
It's in shops 13th of June.
Yes, comes out on 13th of June.
13th.
Seems so quick. And it came out in February, and it's so quick nowadays, isn't it? The turnaround to DVD is so fast. It used to be like 5 years or something, and now it's 3 months.
Is it 6 months?
Yeah.
Getting shorter and shorter.
Yeah, well, growing up in Ireland, it'd be so long before it even got to the cinema. People were dead who were going to see their films.
You thought the soundtrack to every movie was this.
And this is it's you, Nick Frost, and an alien.
Yes.
On a road trip across America.
Yes. Seth
Have I
Rogen.
left anything out?
No, that's what it is. With Seth Rogen as the.
It's a really funny movie. It's a very, very funny movie. Here's a clip to remind us.